Did you know that there once existed a demon whom even the mighty Hanuman could not defeat? The story belongs to the time when the war of Lanka was at its peak. The land of Ashok Vatika flowed with rivers of blood. The sky echoed with the roar of divine weapons. Ravana had realized that his end was near. But Ravana was not one to surrender. He played his final move. He began a secret ritual. The vibrations of his chants made the walls of Lanka tremble. Amidst the blazing fire, an extraordinary demon appeared, one never seen before. His body shone like burnished bronze, but the strangest thing was that his entire body was covered with just one name, Shri Ram. Ravana smiled wickedly. Now, let's see who dares touch this demon, he thought. And indeed, that's exactly what happened. As soon as the monkey army, Vanara Sena, tried to attack him, their eyes fell upon the sacred name, Ram, written all over his body. Their hands began to tremble. How could they strike at the holy name of their Lord? Their devotion, their faith stopped them. The demon laughed and, in moments, destroyed hundreds of warriors. Then, mighty Hanuman himself stepped forward. His mace could split mountains. His roar could shake the seas. But when he saw the name Shri Ram written all over the demon's body, even he hesitated. His mind wavered between devotion and duty. Finally, Hanuman stopped fighting and went straight to Lord Shri Ram and Vibhishana. He said, "Lord, your sacred name is inscribed all over that demon's body. How can I strike him?" Vibhishana spoke gravely. "Lord, this demon has been created through deceit. The name Ram is written all over his body except in two places, his tongue and his heart." Lord Shri Ram smiled gently. In his eyes shone both compassion and divine brilliance. He lifted his bow and released a celestial arrow. The arrow flew like lightning, piercing the demon's tongue and striking straight into his heart. In an instant, the demon fell to the ground and dissolved into the very name he had misused, Ram. Peace spread across the entire battlefield. From every direction arose one sound, Jai Shri Ram. That is why it is said, the name that holds the power of creation itself cannot be conquered through deceit, only through devotion.